Visiting the Met is like walking into a time machine and a teleportation device rolled into one. Take a stroll through a Japanese garden, or joust on horseback in medieval Germany. The possibilities are endless. It makes you wonder, how do all these objects survive for hundreds, sometimes thousands of years? And how do Met scientists and conservators keep the collection in ship shape? Some objects in the Met collection are old. We're talking hundreds of thousands of years old. Check out these hand axes created in the Paleolithic era. These are some of the first tools ever created by humans. So, what's the secret to these objects lasting for so long? There's a few factors at play. Let's start with the object's materials. The objects you just saw are made from inorganic materials. These are minerals and metals found in nature. They also include objects made artificially by humans, like glass or ceramics.
They differ from organic materials like leather, wood, and textiles made from natural fibers. These are mostly made of carbon and come from living things like plants or animals. We tend to see objects made from inorganic materials survive because they are often more durable. Organic materials are biodegradable, meaning they can be broken down by other living organisms, such as bacteria or fungi.
We do see some exceptions, though. Let's hop on over to ancient Peru. Check out this panel made from alpaca wool, cotton, and macaw feathers, all organic materials. So how has it stayed so vibrant? It was kept rolled up in a large ceramic jar and buried underground for more than 1,500 years. The climate of the south coast of Peru is arid, which means extremely dry. Too much humidity can be very damaging, causing decay or attracting pests. In a different climate, we probably wouldn't see textiles like this survive. It's the same reason we see incredible linen textiles from ancient Egypt. Egypt and Peru share a similar climate, and these objects often come from dry, dark, underground tombs. Met staff create similar environmental conditions at the museum.
We keep relative humidity at around 50%. Higher than 50% can cause corrosion for metal objects and mold on organic materials. Lower than 50% can cause wood to splinter or paper to become brittle.
We also keep objects at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. For many objects, the colder, the better. We even keep some in refrigerators, though we don't want our visitors to freeze. The objects we see at the Met today were treasured when they were created. They were made to last. Just like the people who cared for these objects before arriving at the museum, Met experts do their very best to make sure these objects stand the test of time. So, where to next?